March comes in like a lion, goes out like a lamb. This weather proverb reminds us that we start the month in winter and by the end, spring is close by. Dr. Bug here. Today I want to share with you 3 emails I recently received. Samantha writes, I don't like bugs. Why do we need to save them? And from Teddy, bugs creep me out. Why should I be nice to them? And Andrea asks, is it okay to kill insects? I thought as we spring into warm weather, it is the perfect time to look at the complexity of insects with awe and appreciation. Alien-looking bodies, freaky behaviors, 6 legs, camouflage, metamorphosis. These are the reasons why insects have been the main characters of horror movies and nightmares. I find these strange characteristics the reasons why insects and other arthropods are so fascinating and a source of inspiration. Some insects are a real problem. You might have heard of termites infesting a home, or when insects devour crops on a farm or in your garden. Pets and people can be bitten by insects, and sometimes that can cause bad reactions. These problem insects are called insect pests. But most insects help us, and we call these beneficial insects. I know, I can hear you now. You're probably asking, how does a bug help me? Beneficial insects are hugely responsible for the pollination of most plants. Do you remember just what pollination is? Pollination is the transfer of pollen granules from one part of the flower, the male anther, to the female stigma. This allows the plant to reproduce offspring for the next generation of the plant. And one way the plant produces offspring is by making fruit and seed. And sometimes that seed is what feeds you. Did you know that 1 in every 3 bites of food you eat depends on pollinators? Almost every fruit and vegetable is pollinated by beneficial insects. Think about that the next time you eat breakfast, lunch, or supper. What on your plate depends on an insect pollinator? This is just one way beneficial insects help us. Insects are an essential part of the living world or the ecosystem around us. Some insects feed on dead plants, and some feed on dead animals, and yep, some insects eat animal poop. All of these behaviors make a difference by recycling nutrients back to the earth. Many insects will eat other insects. These insects are called predators. This helps us because often the beneficial insects eat pest insects. They have a frightening name, but look, it's our favorite ladybug. And believe it or not, science and engineers study insects to develop new technologies. Engineers have studied the stingers from bees and mosquitoes to design better medical needles. They have studied the weevil with its thin, strong snout to learn how to design stronger and flexible materials for airplanes and buildings. Today's chainsaws owe their success to the observations by one man who designed the chain just by watching how the borer chews through logs. And dragonfly eyes have been studied and are leading to new ideas in rough terrain maneuverability, visual processing, and guidance for self-driving cars. Without insects, our world would be in trouble. So yes, Andrea, you can kill a bug if you need to, but remember how important insects are to us. Today, we have fewer insects in the world, especially the beneficial insects, because of the loss of insect habitat, both food and places to live. For all the good insects do for us, perhaps this shouldn't be the most important reason to be nice to them. As fellow species on this planet, we should be willing to share the space and be stewards in those areas we can help. Instead of disgust, why not look at how insects make our world a much more interesting place because they are beautiful, they are fascinating, and yes, maybe just a little magical. Do you have a question for Dr. Bug? Keep watching, and in just a few seconds I'll show you how you can send your questions to me. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on our next video. Until April, I'll see you in the garden. Ask Dr. Bug originates from the Kids Ask Dr. Bug column, written by Dr. Tamra Reall, horticultural specialist with the University of Missouri Extension.
Her column can be found in garden publications, newsletters, and extension websites. Do you have a question for Dr. Bug? Send them to realt@missouri.edu. Put Ask Dr. Bug in the subject and include your name and age. Or ask your questions online at the address listed here.